How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at a Dodge Ram 1500 with a burnt out light bulb. As you can see, the one on the right was working, but the one on the left was not working. And it's pretty weird to change the headlights on this truck just because you have to remove the actual headlight. But anyways, in order to get to that, you'll have to kind of remove the inner fender liner on whichever headlight you're replacing or light bulb you're replacing. And you'll see that there's going to be a white tab in there. It's like a slider that basically locks and unlocks the headlight. And like I said, you're going to have to remove the headlight in order to replace the light bulb, which is kind of weird. Pretty bad design if you ask me. But as you can see, I just slide the slider up, and that's pretty much all you need to do on the back side of the headlight. Now the rest is going to be in the front. In the front, you're going to move this plastic cover. It's just one clip. And then on the very bottom, you guys won't be able to see in the video, unfortunately, but there is a bolt that goes all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to have to unscrew that, loosen that up, and then, like I said, you're going to need a long extension. As you can see, I used quite a few extensions, and then one more bolt in the front, loosen that up. And then once you're done with that, it's kind of loose, but it won't come out until you remove or kind of loosen up the front grille. There's one bolt that holds down the front grille. That's all you really need in order for it to move a little bit. And then once you move it a little bit, it'll give you enough room to slide the headlight out. Make sure to pull it out straight. It won't come out any other way. And once you do that, that's pretty much it. You can access the light bulb. Just remove the cap, and then you can either replace the light bulb or upgrade it depending on what you want to do. But that's pretty much it. That's how you replace a light bulb on a Dodge Ram 1500. Thanks for watching.